Hi, today is Friday and welcome back to my channel. Hi loves, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Kiki Emma. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, give this video a big thumbs up, and welcome to the family. So this is officially my first video for the year 2021. I was about to say 2020. Hey guys, my birthday is next month, which is April. Yes! And I am accepting gifts. Or you want to, put some money in my bank account? DM me and I will give you my details. Hello, so what's good? So today is Saturday and I just washed my hair. Oh, I'm actually going to make it today. So my hair is all shrinked because I just washed it and it looks somehow. So rain actually fell last night and now the road is going to be all messy and all of that. I really don't like it when rain falls, low-key, because we already have bad roads and then well, who am I to tell God not to let rain fall? Okay. So guys, I'm already on my way. I don't know if I can video the hair making for you all, but I'll try. This is my gum sticking out. Please always carry mint in your bag. It's helpful. Keep your mouth warm, okay?
Empty hearts and neon lights, they're playing with my mind. Gotta get out of here tonight. Oh.
Hi loves. So I just go home. There's no light. I split my hair. I could not record the whole stuff because it was not easy. I actually wanted it to be longer than this, but I mean the length is okay, and I fixed my nails. I almost cried while making this hair because my hair is tiny, yeah? And then picking it was not even easy. Hey God, even should have seen you, girl. I was about to cry. I just want to sleep after taking this perfume, and everywhere is so hot. I was literally thinking that when I come back there'll be light. Yeah, that's stealing my food.
It's much now.
And it's much now.
I begged you before. Yeah.
Guys, I'm eating bread and things. This is how you enjoy yourself. Hi guys, what's good, what's popping? This is Sunday evening. After eating that bread and beans, I crashed. I literally crashed. My son is taking me out, so I'm just going to just freshen up.
Don't you see that I need you so much? Don't you see that I love you so much? Oh na 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 na, oh na 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 na, darling, I need your love. Oh na 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 na, oh na 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 na, darling, I need your love.
just feeling it, so I'm hungry. I know like it's still early, but like I'm hungry. Very hungry. Very hungry. Very, very hungry. Everybody, blame people for disappointing you. I blame for trusting them. Trust nobody. Suspect everybody.
I just can't let you go. Lord knows that I've tried to. You said I was the only one. No one likes being lied to. You made this mess and left me with the pieces. Now I wanna burn all the bridges between us.
Hi guys, so it's 12:32 p.m. and I've not eaten. I don't know what to eat, so I'm just going to have bread and bama.
I just need to clear my head.
Hi guys, that's good. So I found egg sauce. Yeah, so I'm just going to boil yam. I don't feel like eating fried yam. Well, I have plantain that I'm going to fry.
Need it, and you may have some history, but we don't have to repeat it. You made this mess and left me with the pieces.
Guys, I'm just going to microwave the egg sauce in the microwave.
I can't focus, I can't forget. I've been thinking too much lately. I just need.
Hi guys, what's Gucci? It's almost 7 p.m. and Jackie has been sleeping. I'm supposed to go to the store to get some stuff. I got this chicken wrap. There's barely any chicken in this, but okay. Hi guys, the laundry room is kind of dark. Pardon me when I'm trying to do laundry and I know you cannot see shit right now. I mean, you can see the light here, right? Hi guys, welcome to Tuesday morning. This is 10 a.m. and your queen is just waking up. Bad bitch behavior. I'm about to start my day. I have work, yeah. So I'm going to brush up, work, and then make food later on the day. Guys, I have to do today. Peace out. Hi potatoes. So this is I think 11 a.m. and I have this mango, but it looks spoiled. And I want to microwave my mini chicken wrap. I'm planning on making lunch soon. I just feel tired. But let me wash this mango and see if it's nice to eat. Hey guys, I saw another better one in the kitchen, so I swapped it. It's too juicy. I'm going to leave this mango off camera because my battery is my home train. Do you guys eat the back? It's so nice. Bye. Alright. So I changed my mind about that. I want to eat bread. If you love me, just buy me bread. I die for bread. I'm going to give my sister the chicken wrap because she said she was hungry. I'm usually drinking my tea with just me. I know it's sweet on this also. How do you guys drink your tea and bread? I dip mine inside. Like that. Hi guys, so it's 12 p.m. I'm about to make spaghetti for lunch. So I got this barbecue chicken yesterday from the store. I'm just going to boil this chicken. I think this pot is too small. I don't think the pot is small. It will fit in. Okay. I'm just going to add some spices to the chicken. How this black one go? In the daytime, you should be embarrassed. Okay, so you guys, I had to dice the chicken to remove the bones from them. Yeah. And I'm just going to apply dark soy sauce on it. So I mixed them up. My hands are clean. I washed my hands. I'm going to add a little bit of pepper. I gave my sister some and I packed the rest for tomorrow and next tomorrow. I know it's small, but I'm gonna finish it. I'm gonna finish it tomorrow. Then I have mine that I want to eat now. I'm not really hungry, but I'm going to eat. Closest starts to end.